What's up, everyone? Thank you for the exchanges and comments. I appreciate it all. I did read a comment about one guy who does valve covers and timing covers and all that stuff. He doesn't do a deep clean. He does enough to get the job done. I respect that, and I also understand that he doesn't do a deep cleaning of the engine when he's doing that type of work. I understand. No doubting what you do, because I do the same thing. We're on the same page. So anyway, I did the discussion about shop supplies, right? There's another one is disposal fees. So at some point in time, depending on the market, we have to pay for disposal fees of used oil. And that's in my area. But right now, we don't pay anything for used oil, and we're not getting paid for it. But I'm just curious if there is still shops out there charging it. I need to look at it. I need to look at a Quick Lube receipt and wonder if there are environmental charges. I know that we have to pay a tire tax here in New Jersey, and they also have to pay to get rid of the tires. So how I price that is it's all in one piece. It's mount, balance, and disposal for the tires. So it covers the $3 per tire on average that I have to pay for to get rid of. And it is an expense. And if you do a lot of tires, it adds up. We have no other way of disposing of tires in South Jersey. But in oil filters, we crush them and drain them, and then we scrap them, and our scrapyard takes them because they're metal. So I'd like to know who's charging an environmental charge and disposal fees. And I'm going to start looking at some of the estimates as I get them here in South Jersey. But what other shops are out there? As another YouTuber commented, shops are going to start charging for toilet paper for the technicians to go to the bathroom. Dude, it's expensive to run a business nowadays. So let me know. Thanks for watching.